Hello, everyone. I'm back again with principle number 6 in Life Sculptor series. The principle number 6 in Life Sculptor series is always get surrounded by right and growth mindset. We are average of 5 people whom we are surrounded by. There is wonderful research that somebody's package or somebody's salary can be easily calculated just by asking his or her 3 friends package. If you are surrounded by people who don't read books, chances are very high that you won't read the books. If you are surrounded by the people who are not aware of health and who don't do any exercise or workout, then chances are very high that even you don't do that. If you are surrounded by such kind of families who don't put much effort in the development of their kids going to be average, chances are very high. So this becomes very important. This becomes very important principle that we always have to surrounded by right mindset. But how can we achieve that? First of all, we have to be clear on our goals. What are our goals? And then we have to see whom I am surrounded with right now. You can do 2 things. Either make them aware and conscious so that they can help you to grow and they can also grow. But I know it's very hard. Even I am struggling with this to get surrounded by mindset peoples. But how you can do that? Whatever goals you have in your life, just see who are the legends, who are the people already well ahead of you in the game. Just find out their books, their courses, and just attend that, read those books. That's how you can get surrounded in that group. Your mindset, it will automatically will grow. So in the end, today I'm going to give you exercise. There are 3 important questions you can ask in this regard. Who am I surrounded by? Make the list of your friends. Who are you surrounded by right now? Who are your influencer right now? And the second question is, what are they doing to me? What are they doing to me? When we are surrounded by these people, knowingly or unknowingly, we are conditioned by their thoughts and by their mindset. So just find out what are they doing to, what are they forcing you to do. Maybe uh, just like I gave an example of health, right? By default, even they don't know, they are not doing the exercise and you're plugged in that group, by default they are doing harm to you because even you are not doing the exercise because you are plugged in that kind of group. Third question is it aligned to your goals? Find that out. If not, guys, believe me, and take immediate action. Otherwise, you won't reach out to your goals. So please, work on these 3 questions, and I'm sure your eyes will be open. Reference 80% mindset and 20% skill by Dave Gadvi. Again, a wonderful book. Please read that. It will help you to uh, to go on a further, maybe on next step in terms of your mindset. So thank you very much. Thank you for your all love and like on social media. Keep on doing the same, and thank you, and see you tomorrow with next principle. Thanks everyone. Have a wonderful day.